Welcome back to Master Designs. I just got back from Rhode Island and I'm feeling completely recharged. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Gigantamax Charizard. And if you must know by now, Charizard in its Gigantamax form, the flame inside of its body burns hotter than 3,600 degrees Fahrenheit when Charizard roars. That temperature climbs even higher. So let's get started, shall we? Okay, here's a known fact about Charizard. He was first seen in Flash of the Titans. He was also seen in Pokemon Twilight. And we were hoping maybe we could see Charizard again real soon in that form. After all, he was once one of the competitors for the Pokemon Finals. So, let's get started on drawing him. So you just start with the eye, folks. Always start with the eye. There we go. There's his head here.
Can you hear a voice that gives out a cry? I'll trust the power you've got inside. All are trapped, their freedom gone in the war. Lost from the future.
There we go.
That's just beyond the door. Break out of prison with a slam, slam, slam. No problem even in a jam, jam, jam.
Come to action with a bam.
Light bursts from all the singers get sparking. First we're getting pumped, then we clash. Winning in the run, then we laugh. All this passion underneath is my newfound energy. Focusing for sure, set is set through the universe and its threats. My heart's dancing to its beat as we're heading for the ring.
There we go. There's his mouth. There we go. There's his fingers. Okay. Alexa, play my recently played songs.
Here are your recently played songs from Amazon Music.
Okay, next part here, now that we got the head part here, head done, next up is the wings. Okay, if you must know, his wings are entirely made out of fire. Just a reminder, folks, you should never play with fire because it'll burn down the house. I don't even know how you play with fire exactly. That must hurt.
Far away, our wants are making the climb. I'll trust the power you've got inside. All of it to be the stars of the stage. a slam, slam, slam. Start the battle in a jam, jam, jam. Final hit, he's a big
Next up are the pieces on his chest.
heartbeat pounds my
Here.
head. Let's get started. First we're getting bumped, then we crash. Winning in the rough, then we laugh. All this passion
Next up is the leg here.
is my newfound energy.
Alexa, next song. Alexa, next song.
Monochromatic Mother Earth, too dark to see the morning. Attention in the atmosphere is cold and never thawing. Follow common sense in the way that I've been told. But will it really make me happy? Now I realize my breath has started to freeze. In the middle of a blizzard, I can feel the pressure. That ice against around my heart, the beat's the only measure of even knowing I'm alive. Could turn this pain
There we go.
before I shut it down, shut the door for good. There's a wall that's towering over me. If I try to climb it, will I succeed? Oh, 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 oh. I'll find the truth deep inside. Life is in my head, so no need to pray. Cause I'm ready now for the judgment day. Oh, 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 oh. It's gonna be mine to
There we go.
no one else gets to decide. Cause the future's only made for you and I.
There we go. Gigantamax Charizard.
Such a narrow world, full of empty dreams, poison ivy twists, like my haunted screams.
We're almost done.
I can finally see.
Next up is the... Lastly, we gotta draw the tail here.
Break the ice, break the ice now. Break the ice, break the ice, break the ice now. Break the ice, break the ice now. Break the ice, break the ice, break the ice now. There's a wall that's towering over me. If I try to
There we go. Most likely, his tail is always on fire. Be sure to draw the fiery parts in his body. And don't forget his wings here. And finally, here's the clouds. The Gigantamax clouds around it over his body. And done. That's how you draw Gigantamax Charizard. Pretty awesome, don't you think, guys? So, just a quick question, you guys. Who's your favorite Gigantamax Pokemon? And, truth be told, I kinda actually miss being in Rhode Island. I know it's been a short time, but I haven't been there. I haven't exactly, done anything else while I was there. But, I still think that Rhode Island is a great place to have vacation. Alexa, next song. Alexa, next song. I just hope I can go to the pool again. So, anyways, I hope you guys have a nice season. Just let me know what kind of Pokemon I'll draw next. Bye.